Hello, dear customers. This is our fully automatic reinforming and butt welding machine workshop. This machine is arc welding, very good for stainless steel. Other machines are under assembly. These two machines are intermediate frequency butt welding. Its advantage is safe electricity and better butt welding quality with safeguard. They work for inner ring diameter 40 mm to 600 mm. This is the intermediate frequency controller. Two machines are ready for shipment. This machine is for European customer for where their meter 5 mm to 10 mm. Ready for shipment. This machine tailor-made for flat wear strip. These are small bearing making machines. Contact us if you have same requirement.